Oh hey, give me just 1 sec. I need to finish doing something on my personal server. Today, we're here to talk about backups. Hey folks, this is Dan with InMotion Hosting, and yes, I did just liquefy one of my personal servers, but I'm not worried about it because I always maintain reliable backups. Anybody who's worked with data for long enough will tell you that data loss is inevitable. It happens to everybody. It can happen for 1,000 different reasons. Maybe you uploaded the wrong version of a file and you overwrote the right one, or maybe you just decided to delete your entire hard drive because you thought it would be a funny joke for a video that you're making. Whatever the reason, data loss happens to everybody. The only question is whether or not you'll be prepared when it happens to you. The way you make sure you're prepared is by maintaining a reliable backup strategy. But what is a reliable backup strategy? The traditional wisdom is the 3-2-1 model. You want to have 3 copies of your data in 2 different formats, with one of them being off-site. Now, the first copy of your data, that's easy. That's your production copy. That's what's live on your website. That's what your visitors see when they reach out to you. But it's also the version that's the most likely to be corrupted or deleted or lost. That's the version that we need to protect by making backups. The second copy is going to be your local backup. Your local backup is designed to be super quick and easy to create and update and restore from. Now, there's a ton of ways to make a local backup. The way that I like to do it is using the WHM Backup utility. If you're on a cPanel server and you have root level access, so if you're an InMotion Hosting customer, these are going to be our VPS and our dedicated servers. If you have root access, you have WHM and you have access to the WHM Backup utility. Making and restoring backups from the WHM utility is super easy. You can schedule the backups to happen automatically, and if you do need to restore from it, restorations are just a couple button clicks. It's super easy. I'm going to include an article about the WHM Backup utility, but there's also a ton of other ways to do it as well. But what if something catastrophic were to happen to your server? What if, just for example, you ran a command that deleted the entire contents of your hard drive? In that case, you would need to restore from an off-site backup, and that's our third copy, is the off-site backup. You need to keep a copy of your data someplace physically separate so that even if something catastrophic happens to your primary data, you'll still have a copy stored someplace secure that you can restore from. Now, there's a ton of different ways to make an offsite backup. The easiest one is just to download your data. If you just take all the data from your server, you download it, you keep it on your home computer or an office computer or whatever else, that's an offsite backup. You can restore from that if you need to. The only thing about that, though, is it can be a bit of a hassle. Like, let's say you've got a website that you update every day. Now, that means you have to make a backup of it every day to keep that data secured. Now, that means you have to download that backup every day, and that gets to be a bit of a hassle. But luckily, there's a ton of tools that can help us out with this. The one that I use is InMotion Hosting's Backup Manager. Backup Manager is great because it's designed to grow along with you. So as you grow, as your website grows, Backup Manager will grow alongside it. Your data is kept super securely in 2 different data centers in 2 different locations. And if you ever do need to restore from it, doing a restoration is as easy as just a couple button clicks. I'm going to include an article with more information about Backup Manager, but also with a bunch of other options, because ultimately it doesn't really matter what tools or services you use to set up your backups. All that really matters is that you do it, because data loss happens to everybody. The only question is whether or not you'll be prepared when it happens to you. Now, if you have questions about a good backup utility for you, or if you want to know more about the features of Backup Manager, reach out to us. Our Help Center has tons of articles about making and maintaining backups, and if you're an InMotion Hosting customer, reach out to us. Our support team is here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with real live support agents, not just AI chatbots. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Visit us at InMotionHosting.com for more.